If you'd like to enjoy 100% passive profits from your own digital store, you're in exactly the right spot at exactly the right time. Because we're going to create everything for you, a stunning, custom store loaded with premium white label products. And you keep 100% of the profits. Your passive profits store, completely DIY. Optimized for speed, conversions and top-level customer experience so browsers and buyers return over and again. Clean, elegant design based on the top-performing digital stores in the industry. Seamless integration with your preferred autoresponder, include opt-in forms to build specialized customer lists for long-term profits, built-in links to your other web assets, blogs and video sites. Social sharing for 100% free, viral traffic SEO optimized for ongoing, free search engine traffic. It's not okay to rip off images from the internet, and smart business owners know this. Copyright issues are a big deal, and now more than ever, people are getting sued for illegally using images they don't have the rights to. This is the perfect solution for your prospects that don't want to fork out hundreds per month to join a royalty-free graphics site. This complete package includes 800 graphics and 200 logos, all fully customizable. Incredible value for your customers, amazing profits for you. The hottest plugin on the market. White label rights to Moto GDPR plugin. The recently introduced General Data Protection regulations from the European Union have changed the game for any website owner getting traffic from Europe. Compliance with GDPR isn't optional, it's essential. Website owners are racing to get their sites compliant, and the Moto GDPR plugin is one of the fastest ways to do it. This product literally sells itself, and it's preloaded into your store for ongoing, 100% passive profits. Future-proof your online income. We're offering UAA complete, DIY profit stream where you can make 100% passive profits without any of the hassles of setting up a store, sourcing products, or ongoing maintenance. When you say yes to your own Moto white label digital store, we go to work right away and build out everything for you. This is where the smart money is. Top-earning marketers know that financial freedom comes from having digital assets in place that generate ongoing sales. Your Moto white label store is the fastest shortcut to your own collection of profitable assets. It comes at a fraction of the cost of trying to do it yourself, without the expenses or hassles of setting up a traditional e-com store and constantly sourcing products. And it's your choice whether to run it completely passively or scale it up for a job replacing